The one message that I don't necessarily like about these keto subscription boxes is that if this is kind of luring you into snacking and on the go and that type of stuff, then I would stay away from it. You guys know how I feel about this on the go nonsense, because we don't need to be eating on the go in the 30 seconds it takes us to get to the car. But if you know that you can try to fit this into your OMAD meals, then you can get it, okay? That's the deal. I know over the course of the last 2 months, I've done a lot of videos about water fasting, but now once you're done your water fasting, what's next? I always talk about maintaining a ketogenic diet, which basically means that you're high fat and moderate protein, and you quit the carbs almost entirely and try to stay under 20 grams of carbs. I also always talk about following some sort of intermittent fasting type of schedule. I follow OMAD when you eat 1 meal a day, so I fast for 23 hours. I eat my 1 meal around dinner time, and then I fast another 23 hours. So that's my 24-hour cycle. I fast, I eat dinner, I fast, I eat dinner, and that's it. That's all, no snacking. In order to kind of see what was out there and what type of keto snacks are out there, I wanted to sign up to something called KETO KRATE, which is basically a keto monthly subscription box where you buy it and then there's a bunch of keto goodies in there. Again, you guys know my stance on snacking. I'm not really pro snacker. I'm pretty against snacking. So if you do get a KETO KRATE and you are following OMAD, make sure that the things that you're eating are part of your one meal. So you're not snacking throughout the day on these things, but you're actually incorporating into your one meal. So you have your meal and then you can have the extra foods like this or some nuts or whatever you want to eat for your OMAD meal as a part of your meal. So this is KETO KRATE. Now, I wanted to do a little unboxing video to show you guys what's in it. I reached out to them and I told them that I have a lot of people watching my channel and I would like to offer a discount coupon. So they actually gave me a discount coupon. I'll put it right here. The coupon is YPIYALE, and I'll put it right here. Down below in the description bar, I'll put the link for the KETO KRATE monthly subscription box. And I'll also put the coupon code underneath, so that's where you can buy it if ever you do want to try different keto snacks. I know a lot of you do 16/8 intermittent fasting, and I know a lot of you do OMAD. So depending on your schedule, as long as it fits your macros and as long as it fits the timing, that I'm pro KETO KRATE, but it can't really be a snack, it's just part of your meal. So without further ado, let's see what's in here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what it says. It says KETO KRATE. In this box are products created by people who believe in you. They believe that you are in control of your health. They believe that given the choice, you will choose long-term well-being over a quick fix. They use sugar responsibly to create products that allow you to more readily make these choices. The problem is that many of the products featured in KETO KRATE are not getting the attention they deserve. While we're happy and excited to bring them to you through KETO KRATE, many of these products are not available in grocery stores. Currently, a trip down the aisle of a large grocery store is often met with many junk products loaded with sugar. As long as people continue to buy these junk products, stores will keep them stocked. In order to create a more balanced selection, we need some of these junk products to be replaced with products like these featured in KETO KRATE. For this to happen, grocers must have some sort of proof that a new product could outsell the one that's currently on the shelf. Sales and excitement for a product are the proof that grocers need to take a chance on it. If we want convenient, low-carb products on our grocery shelves, we must purchase, share, and discuss the products we enjoy. By being part of KETO KRATE, you're doing so much to support these companies and help permanently change the food landscape. For that, we thank you. So that's a really nice message, actually, showing that the only reason that we have so many sugary foods in the supermarkets is because there's not a demand out there for the low-carb, low-sugar, or no-sugar alternatives, because everybody's just buying the junk on the shelves. So if we all get together and try these types of products and we like these products, then we can actually create a demand for it and replace all the junk food and processed food on the shelves for alternatives with sweeteners and less actual sugar, because as you guys know, sugar is very damaging. And if you guys follow a ketogenic diet, which I highly recommend, then it's very important to quit sugar. Okay, so let's see what's in here. This is the first product we have here. It's called Curly Girls Candy, and it's in chocolate caramel, and it's sugar-free. It has less than 1 gram of actual sugar in here. So that's the first one. The second thing we have here is Brooklyn Biltong, and it says air-dried beef. Apparently it's better than jerky here. So that's what it looks like. There's no sugar in this one. You guys know I'm pro kind of jerky without sugar. I had made the video with sugar-free jerky using the monk fruit and erythritol. So this is really interesting to me. I'll give this one a try. Next we have these MCT bars, and it says it only has 1 gram of sugar in here and 2 grams of net carbs. So that's MCT bar. What's this? Crate Club Keto Party. This is just a flyer. This is the next product. It's called Ultima Replenisher, and it's an electrolyte pack. That's cool. There's no sugar in this one either. Obviously, most of these don't have sugar. This one I actually saw high key a lot on Instagram. I've never personally tried it, but they're low carb snacks and they're the chocolate chip cookies. It says here that it's keto friendly, and 2 servings. There's 2 servings per container, and 1 serving size is about 6 pieces. And in a serving, there are 11 grams of carbs, 7 grams of erythritol, 2 grams of dietary fiber. So it looks like the net carbs on this one per serving of 6 cookies is only 2 grams of carbs. So I'm gonna go try these afterwards because I've actually seen these on Instagram and I'm pretty curious about them. The next product here is Nourishing Intact Snacks, which are little crunchy cheese snacks. I'm not exactly sure what they are. There's 2 grams of carbs per serving and there's 2 servings per container. So that's the next one. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in this keto crate, and I believe the box is $39.99 per month. When you go to the keto store and you buy stuff, it's easier to rack up to like a $200 bill, and here you get to actually try this stuff every month. The next one are pumpkin seeds here. Sea salt pumpkin seeds, dry roasted pumpkin seeds. That's the next one. This one is called Fat Bar. 0 added sweeteners, caramel, and sea salt. This one is called the IQ Bar. 4 grams of total net carbs. So this one appears to be a little higher than the other ones. Here we have the chicharrones, which are the fried pork rinds. And this is a really good snack. Again, you know my stance on snacking, but this is pretty cool. And it's with pink Himalayan salt and vinegar. And last but not least, we have these veggie puffs here with salted caramel again. It says 16 grams of protein per serving and 4 grams of carbs. So this is a little higher than I would expect as well. But actually, yeah, this is a little higher, so I wouldn't necessarily eat this one either. So that is what's in my keto crate for this month. I couldn't figure out how to fit my face in this video, so I just wanted to show you guys the products that are in this keto crate. In total, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products in here. So there are 11 keto products per keto crate, and it's a monthly subscription. So if you guys want to try out some new keto snacks before you go and commit to actually buying a lot of them, this is a good idea. Again, I really stress the importance of not snacking, and I know these are called snacks by definition, but put them inside your OMAD meal or inside your intermittent fasting meal. If you do OMAD, do not eat this when you get home from work if your meal is 3 hours later. Put it as part of your meal and eat it as part of your macros and as part of your calories in that time frame that you're supposed to eat it. Because we don't do snacking on this channel, because you guys know if you snack too much, that's when you start to gain a lot of weight, because it's mindless eating. So if you're going to order this, I highly recommend it, but I highly, highly, highly recommend that you make a plan, decide what you're eating that day, make a meal plan, write it down in your food journal, and then you can add it in part of your meal. So this is Keto Crate. I hope you guys like this. I'm really curious, so I'm gonna try this one out because I've just been thinking about it. It says there's 2 servings per container, and each serving is about 6 cookies and has 140 calories. And each one of those servings is 2 grams of net carbs because it has 2 grams of dietary fiber, 7 grams of erythritol, and 11 grams of total carbs. On the back it says, made with only simple, clean ingredients, these are snacks that will fill you up on great taste without slowing you down. They give you the nourishment you need to get to your next milestone. Grab them on the go or whenever you need a boost and take a bite in the right direction. Okay, you guys know how I feel about this on the go nonsense, because we don't need to be eating on the go in the 30 seconds it takes us to get to the car. So I kind of disapprove of that message, because it's just, don't eat on the go. Sit down, enjoy your meal, no mindless snacking. That's one side of the keto crate I don't like, because you really just need to be mindful of what you're eating. If this is kind of luring you into snacking and on the go and that type of stuff, then I would stay away from it. But for example, if you want to add a couple cookies like this that are keto to your OMAD meal that you can just eat right at the end of your meal in that 1 hour time frame, then I totally approve of trying different things and exploring the different flavors that ketogenic diet offers. But if you guys are buying this to snack aimlessly throughout the day, then I highly recommend you don't get it. So it depends on you. If you can stay disciplined and eat it, then get it. If you can't stay disciplined and you're gonna eat it all throughout the day and you're gonna snack all throughout the day, then I wouldn't eat it. So that's my honest opinion and that's my honest review. It's a great subscription box. It's a great product. I got you guys a great discount code. But if you have the tendency to snack throughout the day and you're not going to be able to control it, then I wouldn't recommend that you get it. But for someone who can fit it into their OMAD, then you can get it. Okay? That's the deal. Now I'm going to try these because I'm very curious. I just don't like all this snacking and on-the-go messaging. It just drives me nuts. You guys saw my video about snacking and why I hate snacking, but okay, let's try this out. Okay, they're actually really good. Okay, I totally approve. Wow, I really approve of these, really good. I didn't try any of the other stuff, and obviously if I try all this right now, I'm gonna gain all the weight back that I ever lost in my life. So I'm gonna just kind of stagger these out throughout my OMAD meals in the next coming weeks, and I'll give them all a shot. So that was my disclaimer for you guys regarding snacking and on the go. And if you're gonna get the keto crate, please, please, please make sure you do not snack. Snacking is not good for us. Even though you're keto, do your OMAD, do your intermittent fasting, and add the keto onto it as well. That's my only disclaimer, that's my only message for you guys, and I'm gonna repeat it 10 times until you understand what I mean, because this is very serious. If you just started your weight loss journey and you just started keto and you're doing this for weight loss and all you're missing is an accountability group or a support group to help you get to those goals, we have a fantastic accountability group on Facebook called Fast Forward to Health. And you can find the support group on Facebook at facebook.com/groups/fastforwardtohealth. If you want to join us, come join us. We have a huge accountability group for anyone who's fasting, whether it's water fasting, intermittent fasting, OMAD way of living, which is also intermittent fasting, any of that. We have a support group for you guys. If you don't have Facebook, that's totally fine. Just join our subscriber list. If you send me an email at fastforwardtohealth@gmail.com and say, hey, I want to subscribe to your email list, then I send out a bunch of motivational tips. I make a lot of YouTube videos with motivation. I send you guys cool information about things like Keto Crate subscription boxes. I'm gonna try to get you guys a bunch of discounts with people and see if our community can just kind of have a little bit of an advantage by being a community. So for this one, I believe you get $10 off your first order or something. I forgot what it is exactly. I'll put it in the link below because I forgot what the deal is. But it's better than nothing, so that's pretty cool. I hope your journey's going well. I hope you really took my message about snacking seriously, and I hope everything's going well. I'll see you guys next time. This was my Keto Crate unboxing video, and I highly recommend it if you keep it in your OMAD meals. That's my only if. And if you do that, then I highly recommend this, and there's a link down below in the description box. So I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys like my unboxing video.